We got Mitchell's tinting up here in the shop today.
We're just gonna put a pro charger on it.
Gotta hit up this, man. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back out at Cleetus McFarland's again. We got a couple of the side-by-sides we're doing. We're doing one of the guys that works at the Freedom Factory. We're doing his F-150. And we're doing a Cadillac Limousine for one of the other guys that works in the office. Check this thing out. This thing is pretty frightening to drive, and standing here looking at it, I would definitely not ever get in this thing. It looks like a death trap to me. We're gonna get to tinting some cars, and stay tuned. Let's go. Well, we're here to tint your cars, brother. Alright guys, so we got the first one in here. It's an F-250. This thing has no tint on it. It actually doesn't even come with the stained glass in the back. So on the back of this, we're gonna do 5% double ceramic XR Plus. That film blocks about 98% of the infrared heat coming in, so they ought to be extra cool in there. But we're gonna get to it. Let's go. Alright, so the F-250 is all finished. We're about to bring in the next one, but this thing came out super clean. That's about it for this one. On to the next one. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're on to the next one. We're gonna do the Freedom Factory Polaris 1500 here. This is the one that Frank drives at the Freedom Factory. And we're gonna do 5 on the back and all the sides, and then probably 30 on the full windshield. It's a little dark, but they do drive it here on the main property, and they don't want nobody to see them in there. So this thing's pretty cool looking. Check it out. And I'm about to pull this thing in now and get started. It has a bunch of old tint on it. We're gonna take off the back, all the sides. We're gonna leave the 2 fronts on there, but then we're gonna do the windshield as well. Obviously it's a limousine, it's gonna get limo tint. So we decided to knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. So Barry's working on that one. Me and George are taking off all the film on this one. So we're gonna knock them out pretty quick. Let's go. So we're moving right along. Barry's installing the windshield on this thing. He's just about done. George is over here doing the other, I guess that's called a mid door. They're actually open. It's kind of cool. Check that out. But yep, big old limousine. Looks like it was from like a funeral home, huh? Yeah. Yeah, so they're getting that finished. It's almost done. We got this thing all pretty much ready to go. We're gonna throw 30 on the windshield on this. So let's get to it. All right, the limo's finished. We got this thing looking right. So we're gonna pull this thing out. Next up is Acura TL. We're gonna do the sides and back and a sunshade on the front. Barry's finishing up the windshield on the Polaris. And I don't know, me and George are gonna get started on the next one. Let's go. So we got one more side by side to do. We're about to bring that in, but this thing came out super nice. This is 15% double layer ceramic all the way around. XPEL film blocks up to 98% of infrared heat. Made an old car shine again. So we're gonna bring in the next one. Let's get to it. Next one up, another Polaris. We're gonna put 5% on the back and sides. 30 on the windshield, just like the other one. Let's get to it. Later, alligator. Take a message off the radar. I don't owe you any favors. So see you later, alligator. All right, guys, so we're on the last Can-Am. We're almost finished with this thing. The guys already got the back end, the doors. Barry's working on the front. What do you think about this thing, sir?
I like it.
Yeah, it looks really cool. And it's probably burning up in there if you're in there with no tint on this thing out in the hot Florida
We'll be in there without tint.
Yeah, you'll be in there dying.
Yeah.
So
it helps a lot.
Barry's gonna finish up the windshield on this thing, and we're gonna get out of here. But I don't know. Let's get back to it. Let's go. All right, guys, that's it for out here at Cleetus's. Once again, we finished all the cars in one day. We did a couple side-by-sides, an Acura, we did a F-150 and a Cadillac. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Hell yeah, brother.